Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx. So because we don't have the negative side, so that means we need to put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. The integration of secant of u square, we have tan u. About u, that is about cosine x. And this is the answer for the question. Now we use the similar for the second one. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. The integration of this one, we have tan u. About u, we have sine x. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.